So the first, okay, I am telling, goodness was not there anything. Hanji, screen is not visible. Now you tell, is it visible to you? Better. Okay. Goodness was not there anything she could do. If only she could tell Banda she had not meant to hurt her feelings. She turned around and stole a glance at Peggy. But Peggy did not look up. She seems to be studying hard. And well, whether Peggy felt badly or not, but Maddie, had to do something. She had to find Banda Pentrosky. Maybe she had not yet moved away. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her, and they would tell Banda she had won the contest. That they thought she was smart and the 100 dresses were beautiful. One thing I'm telling you, there was little bit iota of doubt in their mind that okay, they have done something wrong. Are you listening? Okay. When school was dismissed in the afternoon, Peggy said with pretended casualness, hey, let us go and see if that kid has left town or not. So Peggy had had the same idea. Maddie glowed. Peg was really all right. The two girls hurried out of the building, up the street towards Bogan's Heights, the part of town the part of town that bore such a formidable air on this kind of a November afternoon, drizzly, damp and dismal. So they are going to her home to meet her, and they wanted to come to know that why she is not coming to school for the last so many days. Why she has not been coming to school for the last many days. Well, at last, said Peggy gruffly. I never did call her foreigner or make fun of her name. I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. बेटे बड़ी देश बेटे बड़ी देश बेटे म्यूट योर माइक. What are you doing? Who is doing here? Who is here? दे, देखो बेटे कौन है. Ask him her his name. इसको बाहर निकाल दी क्लास से. फोर स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आई थिंक लेफ्ट द क्लास. एक कौन बच्चा है जो गाने बजा रहा है? हु इज दिस पर्सन? बेटे ये दो तीन बच्चों का माइक ऑन है. एक तो फजलूर जी का है. फजलूर जी आप ऐसा मत करो. अच्छा अच्छा. नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ कि दो तीन लोगों का जे माइक ऑन है। एक आपका था, एक और पता नहीं किसका था। और तीन बच्चे जो अभी तक क्लास छोड़ चुके हैं। तमन्ना। हाँ हाँ हाँ, तमन्ना। बेटे, ये देखो कौन कौन छोड़ रहा है, उसका नाम लिखते रहना। हाँ बेटे। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू। सो, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स। हाँ जी। ओके 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 बेटे, ओके। Well, at least the Peggy. Okay, this is. I think that is where the Petrovskis live," said Maddie, pointing out to little white house. Little white house, base of old grass stuck up here and there. Ab, is it clear to all of you? Now, okay. Now you should listen, bete. If it is not clear, you should listen only. My voice is clear to all of you. There is problem, है ना? चलो, okay. The house and its space and Spur's little wizard looked shabby but clean. It reminded Maggie of Wanda's one dress, her faded blue cotton dress, shabby but clean. Yes, she's thinking the courtyard was shabby but little but clean. It reminded Peggy of Wanda, faded blue dress, but it was clean. There was not a sign of life about the house. Peggy knocked firmly on the door, but there was no answer. She knocked at the door and there was no answer from inside. She and Maddie bent around to the backyard and they wanted to confirm that whether is it there anyone in the house and knocked there. When she has gone backside the house and also knocked there. Still there was no answer because there was no one. So that is why there was no answer. There was no doubt about it. बेटे, इस बच्चे ने आप तो पढ़ना नहीं है, दूसरों को भी नहीं पढ़ने दे रहा। बेटे, रोहित है, हैं? रोहित कहाँ है इसका नाम? कहाँ है नाम इसका? दिया। जे मैं रोहित है, जे वाला है, कार्तिकेय है ये तो। ये तो कार्तिकेय है। कार्तिकेय, यू आर हियर। रोहित नाम से जो है मिस्टर कार्तिकेय इज हियर। कार्तिकेय, if you don't want to take the class, बेटे। हाँ। May I quick you out of the class? ये रोहित का के से है, के कोई। ये फिर ये के। ओए, के फॉर कर्ण। मुझे लगता है ये गाने गुने सुनने का शौकीन हो गया बहुत ज्यादा। ये चले गया, मुझे लगता है छोड़ दिया इसने। अब दिख तो नहीं रहा। ये है, ऊपर आ गया। म्यूट कर दिया मैंने इसको। यस, म्यूट कर दिया, अब नहीं आएगा। ओके ओके, चलो कोई बात नहीं, इसको जो है बात करेंगे। अब 10वीं में हो गया है। ओके, एंड नाउ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, yes, she might not even have won the contest. Yes, Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head. For if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. But that night she could not get to sleep because one thing I'm telling you, why, it was a sense of guilty. She could not sleep at that night because she was thinking that she has done something wrong. She has done something wrong. She thought about Banda and her faded blue dress and the little home and the little home she had lived in, and she thought of glowing pictures those 100 dresses made, all lined up in the classroom. At least Maddie sat up in bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. Yes, she was thinking about Wanda Petrovsky. Why she has teased her, why she was making fun of that girl, and because of me she has left this house, she has left this school, and really thought this was the hardest thinking she had ever done. After a long time, she reached an important conclusion. She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. And she will never tease such a person. And yes, if she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking, yes, now she has promised to herself that if she has seen anyone peculiar, strange, and she will not allow anyone to make fun of that person because they had strange names. She would speak up even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship. Who is thinking? Wanda is thinking. Sorry, my Maddie is thinking like this. She would she had no way of making things right with Banda, but from now on she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. Picking or on something means criticizing. Picking on someone means criticizing someone. And she has promised herself that she will never criticize anyone. Yes, next is on Saturday. Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda Pentrosky. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Wanda she had won. Yes, they wanted to write letter to Wanda. They wanted to tell that you have won the contest. Your dresses, 100 dresses, those you have made, they have won the contest. They told her how pretty her dressing drawings were. Yes, and they asked her if she liked where she was living, and if she liked her new teacher, they wanted to ask her well-being. Okay, where she is living, she liked it, and where she is getting her study, she liked the teacher. She liked the teacher. They had mean to say they were sorry. Yes, they wanted to feel sorry. Maddie and Peggy, they want to feel sorry, and what it ended up with, they are just writing a friendly letter, the kind they would have written to any. It ended up with their just writing a friendly letter, the kind they would have written to any good friend, and they signed it with lots of X for love, and they have written so many X's in the end of the letter. They made the letter to Bogan's Heights, writing please forward on the envelope, and they have written on the envelope please forward, and they have dropped in the. Yes बेटे. स्लैंग मतलब गालियां. अच्छा. ए, रोहित कर रहा है, देखता हूँ. ये रोहित कहता सबका हूँ, क्या लिखता है, और फजलूर को लिख रहा है सबका ब्रदर. ये तो रोहित नहीं. अब यह दिया क्यों हैज रही है. अच्छा, हंस रही है. दिया कहाँ. वही तो नीचे वाला तो है निकाला हुआ. क्या लिख रहा है आर्यन को. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. नहीं, तू तो बहुत अच्छा लड़का, तू तो बहुत अच्छा लड़का है हर्षदीप. क्यों. क्या हाल चाल है. कह रहा क्या हाल चाल है. और वही लोग लिख रहा है. हर्ष तो ठीक है ना. दिया राजा, दिया आपको लिख रही है हर्ष. हम्म, हर्ष में ये ऐसा क्यों लिख रहे हो. कुछ पढ़ पुढ़ लिया करो भैया. दिया जो है देखो कितना हंस रही है. हर्ष तू भी बहुत हंस रहा है इसमें. ये हंसने ही आते हैं क्लास में. ओके. नाउ आई वांट टू कैरी ऑन योर ब्यूटीफुल लेसन. Actually, one thing I am telling you, I am teaching in this lesson that we should not make fun of others. But the same thing you are doing in the class. It means you are not learning any lesson from this lesson. Any moral lesson you are not getting from this lesson. So that is why this lesson is here for you. So this is, and after that, देखो मेरे को पढ़ाना भी भुला देते हो आप. कहाँ पढ़ना है. Yes. Now lot of X, they mailed the letter to Bogan's Heights, writing please forward on the envelope. Yes, now days passed and there was no answer, but the letter did not come back. Yes, so many days have passed and there was no letter again. So maybe Banda had received it. They were thinking, Peggy and Maddie, they were thinking, perhaps she was so hurt and angry. She was not going to answer. Perhaps they were thinking that she was perhaps hurt so badly. You could not blame her. Weeks went by, and still Banta did not answer. Yes, it means time was passing on. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business, and Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Banda, defending her from great crowds of girls who were trying to tease her with how many dresses have you got? All girls they were asking Banda the same question, okay, how many dresses she had. And before Banda could press her lips together in a tight line, the way she did before answering, Maddie would cry out, "Stop!" Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. Understand? So the same thing is in the class also. You should feel ashamed. So next is now it was Christmas time. It was Christmas time and there was snow on the ground. Christmas bells and small tree decorated the classroom. On the last day of school before the holidays, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. She is showing. You remember Banda Petronsky, the gifted little artist who won the drawing contest? Well, she has written me, and I am glad to know where she lives because now I can send her medal. I want to read the letter for to you. Yes, the letter was like this. Dear Miss Mason, how are you? And room 13. Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses because in my new house I have 100 dresses, new ones, all lined up in my closet. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawings of the green dress with the red trimming and her friend Maddie to have the blue one. She has given green one to Peggy and blue one to Maddie for Christmas. I miss that school and my new teacher does not equalize with you. Merry Christmas to all of you and everybody. Yours truly, Banda Petrosky. And after all, Banda has written one letter to her school, and she has written to room number 13 and her teacher, Miss Mason. Yes, the rest of the lesson we will start tomorrow. I think it is the letter we have finished, and the rest of the lesson we will start tomorrow. Thank you very much. 4 days we will meet, and yes, there are 38. I think three students they have gone out of the class. Tamanna, bete, you can tell me who are they? Tamanna, bete, you can tell me who are they who has gone out